Yeah, hi Stefan, it's Mark at FMAV. Okay, I got your part the other day, and basically I've worked on it. I've put a new laser in there. Okay, so the laser's brand new. I've taken it apart. I've given the cogs a good clean. Again, this is another well-used unit. You get a lot of these CDM12s. They are heavily used, and again, I'd say this has been in a pub or a club at some stage. And it's used in there. The cogs are a little bit rattly, but it's not. I've seen worse. But again, it should last you a few more years. The board's all right. I've checked the board for you as well. One thing I did find is the little micro switch. When it goes up and it parks the laser, you get like a clicking, like a noise. So I've fixed that as well for you. I've given it I've given it a clean and just sorted that out for you. So yeah, that's all good there. So I'm just gonna put your music on for you. You have to listen carefully because I have actually got an issue with my headphones because the headphones are not working as good as what they should be. So I'll just turn it up for you so you can hear it. You can hear that playing there. So yeah, I've had it on test now for several hours, and I'm finding zero faults, any skips or anything like that. So it's quite a stable bit of kit. So yeah, that'll be in the post for you tomorrow anyway. I'll send that out signed for delivery. When you get that, just let us know, leave some feedback. It helps other people, and yeah, you've got a 6-month warranty on that, on the work that I've done. So if the laser goes again, I'll do that free of charge for you. So yeah, thank you very much. Really appreciate your business, and anything else you need, just give us a shout. Cheers, Stephen. Thank you.